You see something small, full of potential, and then blink. It's magnificent. But how does that happen? How does a tiny seed become a giant, blooming powerhouse? Today, we're diving into the incredible journey of Venusaur, Pokémon number 3, because its transformation holds a surprising secret to unlocking your own greatest potential. Get ready to discover the ultimate glow-up story in the Pokémon world and what its magnificent flower truly represents. All right, let's meet the star of our show. Venusaur, this amazing Pokémon, is number 3 in the Pokédex, and it's known as the Seed Pokémon. Yes, even as a giant, it still remembers its tiny beginnings. Venusaur is a powerful grass and poison type, and it's the final evolution of our beloved Bulbasaur. When we say giant, we mean it. Venusaur stands over 6 feet tall and weighs more than 220 pounds. Imagine that walking towards you. But the most striking thing about Venusaur is the enormous, vibrant flower on its back. The Pokédex tells us this flower takes on vivid colors when it gets plenty of nutrition and sunlight, which makes perfect sense for a plant-based Pokémon. Despite its imposing size, Venusaur is often described as calm and nurturing, even using its flower's aroma to soothe emotions. This blend of power and gentle nature is fascinating, and it definitely plays a role in how Venusaur approaches battles. So, how does this gentle giant perform in a Pokémon battle? Venusaur is what we call a balanced all-around option. It's not just a pretty flower, it's a strategic powerhouse. With really good HP defense and special defense, Venusaur can take a hit, making it a super reliable member of any team. But don't think it's just a wall. It also boasts a strong special attack stat, meaning it can hit back hard with powerful moves. Its grass poison typing is incredibly useful, giving it resistances to common types like water, electric, grass, fighting, and even fairy attacks. That's a lot of types it can switch into safely. Venusaur can unleash devastating moves like Solar Beam, a super powerful grass-type attack that can fire instantly in harsh sunlight. Or it can use Leech Seed, slowly draining an opponent's health while healing itself. A slow, steady, plant-based victory. And here's the kicker, its hidden ability, Chlorophyll. If the sun is shining, Venusaur's speed doubles. This turns it from a sturdy tank into a lightning-fast attacker, ready to fire off instant solar beams. But while Venusaur has impressive strengths, like any Pokémon, it also faces challenges and has specific weaknesses trainers need to be aware of. As awesome as Venusaur is, it's not invincible. Every Pokémon has its kryptonite, and Venusaur is no exception. It has some pretty common weaknesses you need to watch out for: fire, psychic, flying, and ice-type attacks. These are popular attacking types, so trainers have to be smart about their matchups. Without that crucial sunlight boost, Venusaur's speed is just average, meaning many faster Pokémon can outspeed it and hit first. This means Venusaur really relies on having that sun out for its Chlorophyll ability to kick in and make it a speedy threat. If you can't get the sun up, you're missing out on a huge part of its potential, and it might feel a bit slow to the party. It's also vulnerable to status conditions like burn or paralysis, which can really hinder its effectiveness, especially if it's relying on those powerful special attacks. So, smart trainers know you can't just throw Venusaur out there and expect it to win every time. Understanding its limitations helps us appreciate its full story, especially when we look at the deep meaning behind its design and evolution. So, where did Venusaur truly come from? Its unique design is inspired by a blend of a toad or frog and a very special plant called the Rafflesia. That's the real-world plant with the largest individual flower on Earth. Imagine, Venusaur is basically a giant toad carrying the biggest flower ever. And that huge flower on its back, absorbing solar energy, connects to ancient sun worship and the life-giving power of the sun. It's not just a flower, it's a natural solar panel. Its grass poison typing is also super symbolic. It represents the nurturing, life-giving side of nature, but also its inherent defenses and dangers. Nature is beautiful, but don't mess with it. And even as a magnificent Venusaur, it's still called the Seed Pokémon. That's a powerful reminder of its humble beginnings and the incredible journey of growth it undertook. Remember how its flower's aroma can soothe emotions? That links directly to aromatherapy and traditional herbal medicine, showing it's a gentle giant that brings peace. This rich lore perfectly ties into our main theme of growth, showing us that Venusaur's entire life cycle is a powerful metaphor for our own development. Venusaur's journey from a tiny little Bulbasaur, a small seed, to this magnificent, fully bloomed creature is the perfect symbol for growth, patience, and realizing your full potential. Just like Venusaur's flower needs care and sunlight to bloom, we need nurturing and effort in our own lives to truly blossom. You can't rush a good bloom. Its balanced stats and versatility in battle teach us the value of being well-rounded and adaptable. You don't have to be the fastest or the strongest in just one area. Being good at many things makes you truly powerful. True strength often comes from steady, consistent growth, not just instant success. Venusaur didn't just appear fully formed. It evolved over time, step by step. It's a reminder to embrace your unique journey. Don't compare your Bulbasaur stage to someone else's Venusaur stage. Everyone's on their own timeline, growing at their own pace. With patience and dedication, we can all blossom into our best selves, just like Venusaur. It's such an encouraging message from a Pokémon, showing us that our greatest potential is always waiting to bloom. So, Venusaur's core lesson is clear. It's all about the power of growth, the importance of patience, and truly reaching your full, vibrant potential. It's a beautiful reminder that every grand outcome, every magnificent bloom, starts with a small, humble beginning, just like a tiny seed. We hope this episode encourages you to celebrate your own journey of development, to nurture your potential, and to appreciate the unique beauty that comes with your personal bloom. Be like Venusaur, everyone! Nurture your potential, give yourself some sunlight, and let your true self blossom. And speaking of blossoming, what's something small you've been working on that you hope will bloom into something magnificent? Let us know in the comments. And join us next time as we dive into another fascinating Pokémon story and uncover even more hidden lessons.